Hi pupils and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson we are going to learn the simple present versus the present continuous. If you want to know what's the difference between them, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So you must be wondering, what is the difference between them? And the answer is simple. The simple present and present continuous, also called present progressive, are two tenses that express actions or states in the present, but they are used in different ways. Let's look at their differences and when to use each one. So let's take a look of some rules of simple present. The simple present is used to talk about habitual actions or routines or general truths. Permanent situations schedule events usually in the near future. So we have here some structures of the usage of simple present. Do you remember that previously we made a video about simple present? And if you don't remember, I recommend you to watch my video. You will find it in this YouTube channel. We have here the structure for affirmative subject plus the base form of the verb for he, she, it. Those are the subjective pronouns, right? And we will add s or us to the verb. Then we have here an example. I eat breakfast every morning. In negative, to negate, right? We will have subject plus the auxiliary verb do or does plus not and plus the base form of the verb. For example, she does not like coffee. Then we have in interrogative or when you want to make a question, right? We will add from the beginning the auxiliary verb do or does depending on the subject plus the subject plus the base form of the verb plus the question mark. For example, do they work here? I hope that you made a refresh of your memory. To see more examples, we have here the subject plus the verb plus the complement. I play tennis every weekend. I am expressing a habit that I usually do, right? Then we have water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a general truth, something that maybe won't change, right? Then we have she works at a bank. This is a permanent situation. This is an action that she keeps doing. The train leaves at 6 p.m. This is an scheduled event. So pay attention in the difference between them. Now let's see the present continuous. Do you remember that yesterday we studied this topic? And if you don't, I recommend you to watch my last video about present continuous. We have here the present continuous is used to describe actions happening right now, temporary situations or actions in progress. Plan future events in the near future. So now for you to remember better, we have here the structure from the present progressive or present continuous. In affirmative, we will use subject plus the verb be, is, are, plus the base form of the verb, plus ing, plus a complement, right? For example, I am reading a book. In negative, we have the subject plus the verb be plus not plus the base form of the verb plus ing plus the complement. They are not working today. Then we have an interrogative or question, the verb be from the beginning. This is like a general rule in all language, right? The auxiliary verb comes from the beginning when we want to make a question. It doesn't matter the time. For example, we will add the verb be from the beginning plus the subject plus the base form of the verb plus ing. For example, are you studying for the test? Then we have here more examples. I am eating lunch right now. This is an action happening at the moment. Then we have he is staying at his friend's house this week. This is a temporary situation. Then we have you are meeting them tomorrow. This is a planned future event, right? So now to make like a difference between them, we will use when to use each one in which situation we can imply um every use, right? For example, in simple present, I play basketball every Saturday. This is a habit that I have, right? She speaks three languages. This is a fact. The shop opens at 9 a.m. This is an scheduled event. Then we have in present continuous. I am studying for my exam right now. This is an action in progress, right? Then we have he's living with his parents this year. This is a temporary situation because he wants to be independent, right? Then we have they are leaving for vacation next week. This is a future arrangement. You see the difference? So now for you to understand a little bit better, I decided to create this character that is called Tom, Great Tom, right? And we will make examples using present continuous and simple present to describe maybe his routine, right? For example, Tom is studying for an important project this week. Tom is preparing for a big trip to Japan next month. He loves reading books about history and science. Tom goes to the gym every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So now let's make an activity time, guys. You will love this challenge, right? Because now you know how to differentiate simple present from present progressive, right? So let's see if that is true. We have here a practice. And you'll be like, but Tanya, I didn't get it totally the topic and you're like trying to do me a test or something like that. But don't worry, guys, I'm here right next to you. You won't be lost because I'm with you, okay? So let's begin. We will make this practice. Fill in the blanks with either the simple present or present continuous form of the verb in parentheses. Right now, I read a very interesting book. They not like sushi. It could be in simple present or in present progressive. I don't know. Write it down below in the comments. Then we have she work at a new company these days. We go to the gym every morning. He watch a movie at the moment. I take a vacation next month. I am reading those comments, guys. Let me know the answers. What do you think that is the answer? In present simple or present progressive or continuous? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. So I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting those answers like the clock, right? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I am reading those answers. I want to know if you know the coming answers. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. Read down below in the comments the possible answers for the last exercise. And there we have the answers, right? Congratulations! I know that you answered correctly. You knew the answers, right? So let's check up together. Um, if you maybe had 10 or just one or two, it doesn't matter, it's an improvement. Right now, I am reading a very interesting book. So if the verb is with ing, this is, yeah, present continuous. Then we have, they don't like sushi. Yeah, do you remember the auxiliary verb do, does, do not, and don't? Yeah, it belongs to the present simple. So this sentence is in present simple. Then we have she's working at a new company these days. Is present continuous, right? We go to the gym every morning, present simple. He's watching a movie at the moment, present continuous or progressive, right? Because ends with ing. Then we have I am taking a vacation next month. Yeah, present continuous. Well done, guys. It was a challenge for you, I know. But you made it. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Well done. Don't forget to give a like and to subscribe. And if you have friends or classmates who are seeing these topics or wants to learn English, don't forget to send this video and give a like and subscribe. Thank you.